Hey everybody, Colin here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the air filter in a 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today, I'll be installing a MicroGuard air filter on this 2008 Honda Civic, but the procedure will be similar for any Civic between the years of 2006 and 2011. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Here's what you'll do. Open your hood and locate the air filter housing. Unclip the fastener securing the cover. The cover will still be attached by a cord at the back, but it can be carefully laid over to the side. Remove the old air filter and make sure the inside of the air filter housing is clear of leaves and debris. Put your new air filter in place. It will only fit into the housing one way, with this tab on the driver's side. Once you've put it in, make sure the edges are flush with the housing. Replace the lid, making sure that it's in the proper orientation and that it's seated properly. Clip the fasteners back into place. Close the hood. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. We hope this video's been helpful, but if you still have questions, we'd love for you to stop by a store, O'ReillyAuto.com, or contact us on social media. We'll see you again soon.